beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is a summer makeup tutorial for beginners. If you are not a beginner, please skip this video. For summers, we want a natural base without using many products. And in this tutorial, I promise you will 100% achieve that healthy summer glow. Starting with the sunscreen, you do not want to miss this step even if you are lazy like me. And I know that my sunscreen is leaving a white cast. I know I'm giving Casper vibes. I ordered it recently and I have to finish this tube. So you can use any other sunscreen of your choice, but I'm going to go with this one. We are going to skip the foundation because I'm lazy. Jokes apart, we do not want to add layers in a sweaty summer morning. Just go in with the concealer. Cover only dark circles and if you have any discoloration on the face. By the way, I don't understand the concept of using full coverage foundation and then adding 4 freckles on top of it. Do you understand that? Blend the concealer with your fingers for a natural finish. Warmth of your finger melts the product seamlessly into your skin. Try it and let me know if you feel the difference. Now I'm going to set my concealer with a loose powder. I'm using Huda Beauty loose powder here. You can use any translucent powder of your choice. This is going to mattify your skin. We are going to bring back the glow with a dewy setting spray. I'm using e.l.f. setting spray. It is cheap and does the job very well. Next step is to use a bronzer to give you a sun-kissed glow. It adds dimension and warmth to the face. I'm using SHEGLAM bronzer and it is perfect for beginners. The applicator makes it easier to use. Use an angled brush to blend it. Always blend the bronzer towards the hairline for a lifted look. I'm also going to contour my nose for a snatched look. Trust the process, guys. Everything will fall into place. You just have to blend and make it seamless. Moving on to eyes, define your brows very naturally. If you have a thick brows, then just use a spoolie brush to tame your brows. Next step is tight lining. I cannot emphasize on this step more. It gives you thicker and fuller lashes. If your eyeliner sucks, then just try this step and your eyes will be more beautiful than before. Time to curl your lashes. Take your time and do it very gently. Finish it off with a good coat of mascara. Now, to add depth to your eyes, take any brown eyeshadow and just lightly sweep across your crease. Hold the brush from the end for the better control on color deposition. For the blush, I'm going to use SHEGLAM's Lip and Cheek Tint. Mine is broken, but I cannot stop myself from using it as this is the best tint I have came across so far. Use a brush to layer the product. If you're going to use it directly, it will give you harsh lines which is difficult to blend. Another tip, if you're going for a natural look, I would prefer tint than blush because it will stay on for a longer period of time and you don't have to touch up frequently. On the lips, I'm going to use the same tint for a long-lasting effect. Use any gloss of your choice. I'm using Too Faced Lip Injection. The last step is to use the highlighter. Use it very lightly. We do not want to look like a disco ball on a broad daylight. Use a setting spray to set everything in place. Now my friend, you're all set for the day. This will look perfect with the beach wear. Please smash the like button if you like the look. Also share your thoughts in the comments below. For more such tutorials, subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.